Hello guys, in the previous two videos I had shown you that how you can draw rectangles and lines using Convas. Now in this video I'm going to show you that how you can draw circles in JavaScript using Convas. So here I'm continuing with the same codes which I had written in my previous two videos, in which I had written the codes for creating rectangle and lines. Now here, as you have seen in my previous videos, that I had created this canvas and I had given this id canvas to this canvas element, and after that inside the script I had created a variable named as cnvs, and I have put the access of this canvas using document.getElementById, by id, and I had given this id name here, and I had inserted it into this variable. After this CNVS variable was used to get the access to the method which is getContext. GetContext will help me to draw anything on this canvas. So here I am continuing after this. After this I had shown you that how you can create rectangle and lines. So for the time being I am putting it into statements. So here from here to here I am putting it into statements. So now after this I will start creating the circle. I will use this cntx now in the similar way as I had used in the previous two videos. So cntx dot, here I will use arc. This arc will help me to create the circle, and this arc will take some arguments from me. So I am putting some arguments, and those arguments I will explain you after putting them here inside those brackets. So I am putting here, suppose I am putting here 60 comma 60, then I am putting here comma and 30 0 math dot pi multiply by 2 comma false. These two values are giving me the coordinates of the center of the circle. So my center of the circle will be 60 and 60 pixels from the top left corner of the screen. So if you think this one as the screen, then 60 means from here to here it is into the x direction it is 60, and this side also it is 60. So here the coordinate will be somewhere here. So that 60 and 60 is the coordinate for the center of the circle. This third one is showing that how much will be the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is 30 pixels, and this circle will start from 0. Now what is this? I will show you the circle here. Here you can see this is the center of the circle here, which I have given here as 60 60. The coordinates of the center are 60 and 60 here. And from the center to this circle, the radius I have given as, you can see here, 30 pixels, and 0 means it will start from here. This is 0, means the circle will start from 0, and if you want to draw a complete circle, then it will start from here, and from this side in the clockwise direction it will complete its circle as 360 degree. And you must have studied in maths that 360 is equivalent to 2 pi, 2 multiply by pi, or pi multiply by 2. So that is why I have written here the starting point, that is 0, and it will continue to move, this line will continue to move from this 0 to 360 degree, means pi multiply by 2. So it will create a complete circle for me. If you want to draw 1/4 of the circle, then you will have to start from 0, and you will have to go up to here, and here it is pi upon 2. So if you will write pi upon 2, then it will create only a circle from here to here. If you will write up to pi, if you want half circle, then you will start from 0, and here you will go up to here. So you will write pi, and the similar way 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. So I will show you by creating all the types of those circles here. If I will write here math, then only it will get to know that value of pi. Why I have written false? False has been written because I am going clockwise. I am moving from here and I am going clockwise this side. If I want to go anti-clockwise like this, in that case I will have to write true here, but I'm going clockwise, so that is why I will write false here. Now this will create the circle for me, but still the circle will not be drawn because I have not initiated and I have not completed. Here you can see, when I had in the previous video I had shown you that you have to start with begin path and you will have to end with control dot stroke. So this is for the beginning and this is for the closing. So here I will have to write the same thing, cntx dot begin path. This will tell the canvas to draw a circle. After this I will end this by writing here cntx dot stroke, and with this it will get closed. I save it. After that, let's see what happens. You can see here a circle has been created. This is a circle which is having a center at 60 from here, 60 units from here, and 60 units from here. So it is having the center 60 60 and having the radius as 40 pixels, and it is a complete circle which I have created. Now if I want to change the color, then same thing I will do here as I did in my previous video, cntx dot stroke style, and here I will give it any color. So let's give it a color as this, and if I want to make it bold or want to change the size of the line, in that case I will write here cntx dot line width is equal to, let's say, 6. Now I will save it and here I will refresh, and you can see here it has got wider and the color has changed to red. This is how you can create a complete circle. Now if I want to draw only 1/4 of the circle or half circle, then what will I do? I will do the same thing here. I will copy this whole and I will paste it here, and I can give any other color to it. For example, I'll give blue, and here width, let's keep it as 6, and begin path, I will begin the path, and here I will write any other coordinates here for the center. For example, let's make the coordinates as 120 and here also 120, and this is having 30 radius, and it is starting from 0, but it is not going up to complete 360, it is going only 1/4. So for 1/4, as I have shown here, you can see if it is going 1/4 only, so from here to here only. So I want to create only this much, then I will have to write here pi divided by 2. So pi divided by 2 will be written like here, pi divided by 2, maths.py divided by 2, and false because it is going clockwise, and that's it. Now I will close it. So I will save it and I will refresh here, and you can see at 120 I have created this one, which is only 1/4 part. In the similar way, if I want to create half circle, then what will I do? I will again copy this and I will give it any other color, and here I will use some other coordinates 60, and for y let's make it 120 and 60. These are my center coordinates, and this is the radius of the circle, and it is starting from 0, and here it will go up to, from here to here it will go, and 180-degree means complete pi is 180-degree. So here I will write math.pi, that's it, only pi I will write, and false, and I will close it and save it and refresh here, and you can see that half circle has been created of yellow color. This is half circle which has been created. And in the similar way, if you want to create 3/4 of the circle, then again in the similar way you will do it. You will again copy the same, I will refresh, and here you can see 3/4 of the circle has been made. If I want to draw multiple circles, then every time I will have to do all those things. There is no need to do all these things every time. You can create one function. If I want to create multiple circles, then you will have to create one function. For example, I am creating a function, and the name of the function, let's say, is circle. So I am creating where circle is equal to function, and inside this function I will give arguments as x, y, and radius. I'm giving these three arguments here, and because here you can see, whenever you want to create a complete circle, you always have to write this, and it will begin with this code and it will end with this code. These things you always write. What you change is, you change only x coordinates, y coordinates, and you change only the radius. Other things will remain same if you will create a complete circle. So only every time you need to change these three values, other values will remain same in case of a complete circle. So for this, I will make a function, and I will keep all these things which are common inside that function, and from outside I will give these three values only. So these three values I have written in the arguments, that is x, y, and radius, and inside I will write all those things which are common. So the common things here are this cntx begin, and this line also, and this line also. So I will copy them here like this, and here I will, instead of this, I will write here x, because that x value I will give from outside. In the similar way, y coordinate value also will be given from outside, and here instead of this, the radius value will also be given from outside, and other things will remain same. It will start from 0, means it will start from here 0, and it will go clockwise, that is false, and it will be a complete circle, so it will be 2 pi. So it will be a 2 pi. It means that here I will write 2 pi always, maths dot pi multiply by 2, maths dot pi multiply by 2. So this will always remain same, and only x, y, and r things will be given from outside. So I will give them value from outside. So here the outside values I will give, and how I will give them. For example, I want to give a red color, and I want to keep the width as let's say any it may be 6 or anything else. For example, this, now I have given a red color to it, and I am giving it a width of 3, and after this I will give those x, y, and radius values. So this is the circle, so I will write here circle, and to this circle I will give those values as argument. So x will be, let's say it is 80, let's say 80, then 80 again, and radius is, so this is the value which has been passed as argument to this function. Instead of these three, I will write here these three. And in the similar way, I can create more such circles. I'll just copy, I will change the color here, that is instead of this I'll give a blue color, and here I can keep it as same, and these centers can be kept same, or they may also be changed, but I am creating circle into circle. So I will keep those coordinates same, x, y coordinates I will keep same, I will only change the radius, that is from 40 to 30. So I am creating a circle inside a circle. It depends upon you what you want to create. So I'm creating this, and after this I am creating one more. Now I will save it, and I will refresh it, and you can see this is the figure which I have created. If I want to shift it to somewhere else, then I can shift it by changing those values here. If I want to make changes in this value, then here it has come to this point. So this is how I have created circle into circle, and this is the way to create circles. So I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel to support and to give motivation. Have a nice day. Thank you.